J.J. Thomson discovered electron, and Rutherford's gold foil experiment has proved that most of the mass of an atom is concentrated in a tiny central positively charged nucleus. To explain how an atom gets its volume, Rutherford proposed the idea that perhaps electrons are revolving around the nucleus at high speeds. To explain the stability of the atom, Niels Bohr proposed energy levels. He thought that electrons are moving around the nucleus in different energy levels. He said that an electron emits light when it jumps from an outer high energy level to an inner low energy level. The energy of a photon is equal to the energy difference between the high energy level and the low energy level. This is a basic idea proposed by Niels Bohr. De Broglie proposed matter wave hypothesis. He inspired from the idea that photons, particles of light has a dual behavior of particles and waves. Inspired by this idea, de Broglie proposed the matter wave hypothesis. He proposed that electrons has a dual behavior. Davison and Germer and G.P. Thomson experiment demonstrated that moving electrons behave like a wave when it is accelerated. So, this idea in fact led to the development of the modern view of the structure of the atom. According to the current theory, current understanding, electrons in an atom exist as a matter wave in different energy levels. So today we believe that electrons exist in different energy levels as matter waves or electron clouds. However, the interesting part is that there is no evidence suggests that electrons are constantly moving around the nucleus. In fact, if the centrifugal force of electron is, if this centrifugal force is responsible for electrons are not collapsing, electrons are not collapsing into the nucleus, then the innermost electrons of heavy atoms have to travel at the near the speed of light. However, there is no evidence says that electrons in an atom are moving around nucleus at the speed which suggested by the current model of the atom. In one of the previous videos, we saw that every mass defect in the universe is converted into a super thin form of matter. Since a mass defect is a universally occurring phenomena, for example, active stars, supernova explosions, merging black holes, neutron circulations, all these events creates mass defects on a large scale. So, space is filled with this type of matter. If space is filled with this type of matter, then it is sure that it is indeed certain that the space inside an atom also must be filled with this type of matter. In fact, based on my understanding, this space filling matter has a major influence or contribution in the structure of the atom. Also, this space filling matter has a impact or it has an influence of the matter, the wave-like behavior of particles, because since space is filled with this type of particles of matter, when a particle like electron moves through space, it constantly collide with this space filling particles. So, in fact, a particle cannot travel in a straight line through space. This can explain the wave-like behavior of moving particles. So, if the space inside an atom is filled with this type of matter, perhaps the volume of the atom also can be explained with this type of matter that fills the space inside an atom. Recently, I published a book. In that book, I discuss about the structure of the atom. In 2015, I published a book about the structure of the atom. If you are interested, you can buy my book. The recent book is available at free of cost. You can download the book. I have given links to my book in the description. Thank you for watching.